Coming to the lab 8 of interfacing, that is programming 7 segment display. So the first task is to power up the each segments, that is in the following order from A to G, with a 0.5 second delay between each segment, and then light all the segments for 2 seconds and then turn off all the segments. So these are the calculations that I made. So this is a logic truth table. So for A it is FE, for B it is FD, for C it is FB, and so on. So for G it is BF. And to light up all the segments at a one time, we will use 0 0. So as you can see here, the DP is the decimal point here, so we are not using it, so it is set to 1. So for next, to power up the sequence from 0 to F, where B C D is in lowercase and A E F is in upper case, so each character will have a 0.5 second delay in between. And for this I had made a calculation. So this is the logic truth table for the characters. So for 0 it is C0, for 1 it is F9, for 2 it is A4, and so on. For F it is 8E. Now looking at the program, you can see this is my main function, and port B is set to output, and that is indicated by 0. And here is our light up segment function. Now looking at the light up function here, these are the values that I had calculated. This is for A to G, and these are stored in an array called segments. Next, the light up segment function. So this for loop will display all the segments for 0.5 second, and then all segment will light up for 2 seconds, and finally turn off all the segments. Next, coming to the display pattern function, here these are the values that I had calculated, and these values are stored in an array named as characters. So in the display pattern function we have an infinite while loop, and inside that we have a for loop which will run from 0 to 15, that is total 16 character, and it should display the character from 0 to F. And this while loop will wait until the RE2 is low, and the characters will be displayed with 0.5 second delay continuously. But when the RE2 is 1, it will stop, and it will continuously display one single character until the RE2 is low. So this is the program. So now coming to the circuit, so this is my 7 segment display. So as you can see here, each segment is connected with 470 ohm resistor, and each and the another end of the resistor is connected with to the port B, that is from RB0 till the RB6 pin. So for example, segment A is connected to RB0, and segment B is connected to RB1, and segment C is connected to RB2, and so on. And this wire here is connected with the 11th pin of microcontroller. Now let me just restart again. So when I just restart it, Each segment will display for 0.5 second, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all segment will display for 2 seconds and it will turn off. Again, if I restart it, as you can see here, it will go as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all segment for 2 seconds, and again it will turn off. Now if I press and hold the button, it would start the characters from 0 to F. So now if I hold it, as you can 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C E F, and if I remove my finger from the button, so it will stop at a specific character. So in my case it is B, and now it will continuously display the character B, and if I repress the button it should start from the B, and if I again remove my finger it will stop at just like E, and if I again press it, it will run continuously. So this is the full demonstration of the lab 8 of interfacing. Thank you.